Alright car lovers, buckle up. I'm about to take you on a wild ride through the most mind-blowing, crazy cars you won't believe actually exist. These aren't your average grocery getters, and I promise by the end, you'll be questioning reality and Googling at least one of these. Let's dive in, countdown style. Number 5, the Mercedes-Benz F015 Luxury in Motion. Picture this, a silver spaceship on wheels. This thing looks like it rolled right out of a sci-fi movie. It's totally self-driving, with lounge-style seats that swivel so you can face your friends, while the car does all the work. You can even control features with hand gestures. Forget driving, this car is about hanging out in style. Number 4, the Rinspeed Scuba. Ever wish you could drive straight into a lake and just keep going? This Swiss masterpiece is literally an underwater car. Inspired by James Bond, it drives on land and dives up to 10 feet underwater. Just imagine rolling up to a beach and instead of stopping you plunge right in and cruise under the waves. Absolutely nuts. Number 3, the Devil 16. This is basically a land rocket. Under the hood, a V16 engine with a reported 5,000 horsepower. That's not a typo. 5,000. Its top speed is supposedly over 300 miles per hour, which is faster than most planes at takeoff. It's not just a car, it's a statement. And that statement is, I have no chill. Number 2, the BMW Gina Light Visionary model. The wildest thing about this BMW, its body is made from fabric. Yep, fabric. You can literally see it flex when you open the doors. The headlights peek through the skin, and the whole car morphs with your movements. It's like if your car was a transformer, but softer. And finally, number 1, the Terrafugia Transition. You've probably heard about flying cars for decades, but this one's real. The Terrafugia is a street-legal car that unfolds wings and flies. Stuck in traffic? Just drive to a small airstrip, unfold those wings, and take to the sky. It's not just a fantasy anymore. So there you have it, 5 insane cars that push the limits of imagination and engineering. Which one blew your mind the most? Or did I miss an even crazier ride out there? Let me know in the comments. I love seeing what surprises you. Smash that like button if you want more unbelievable car content, and don't forget to subscribe for the next wild ride. Until next time, keep dreaming big and driving wild.